extremely happy to be here on the occasion of the inauguration of a new center of Shenmen with a specialization in Ayurveda. I have been knowing Dr. Pandey for the last 5 years, and what I admire of him, because I always believe that for success in any field, you need to have knowledge, you should have desire to acquire more and more knowledge, you should keep yourself up to date, and you have to have skill and very good contact relationship with patients. I have seen him, I have been visiting this Shenmen Center in Juhu, and I have seen him talking to the patient. I go there not only as a patient, but as his friend and well-wisher. So I have seen him talking to patients, and mere talk to the patient gives him 50%. I happen to be the president of two big hospitals in the other, and now we're growing. Susosha Cooperative Hospital. And I interacted with more than 200 doctors in the last 35 years. And I have seen the problem of India, no complaint against any doctor or patient, but they are successful doctors have no time. They have knowledge, but they don't give enough time. And what is important about Dr. Pandey, that when he sees a patient, when he finds the patient is in need of his superior knowledge, superior skill, he will go out of the way, as Ram Kadam has said, visiting house or whenever patient visits clinic center, he will go out of the way to personally ensure that initial treatment is given by him. And subsequently, of course, he has a very good team of doctors and assistants. I think one more feature of Dr. Pandey is that he keeps in touch with whatever developments in acupuncture or alternative medicine in the world. I know he has visited China, he has visited Malaysia, so that is very important. And lastly, I would like to say that India needs such pathies where affordable treatment. Acupuncture, in my opinion, is the best for India, because what it requires in acupuncture is the knowledge, skill, and transforming the skill. Otherwise, there is no investment, very less investment, and the relief is so big that he has saved many patients who were booked for spine surgery, who were booked for many surgeries, and they cancelled. I know a patient whom I meet many times to his clinic. He was advised spine surgery, and Dr. Pandey cured him, and now he walks 10 rounds he takes in the joggers park. So I wish him very, very good luck, very good luck. And I forgot to say one thing. He believes in keeping the clinic clean, healthy, and good looking, and with all the amenities. And that's the success of his career, and that is what is needed, because in India, consultants and doctors don't care about the environment. So he looks at the environment and he creates a very good sector. Thank you, and
Thank you,
Dr. Pandey.
Thank you, sir.